To make our enforced magic ring, pinch the yarn tail towards you using your thumb and your pinky finger. Grab the working yarn and wind it backwards underneath your 3 fingers, and then over in the front twice. So that's 1 and 2. Pinch the intersection of strands using your thumb, like this. With the working yarn again, wind it backwards 1 more time while turning your palm down, making a parallel line with the 2 other strands. Pinch the working yarn with your pinky finger to keep it in place. Insert your hook underneath the first 2 strands, and then over the working yarn, pulling up a loop, like this. Pull your 3 fingers out of the ring and pull the tail behind. So chain 1 again, single crochet into the double ring, so that the 2 strands are inside the stitch. And then we're going to put a stitch marker here. And there you go. That's your first single crochet. And from this point forward, make however many stitches you need. For this demonstration, I'm going to make a total of 6 single crochets. Start to pull the ring close. So I'm just pulling this high and out. And the key to this step is to be firm, yet gentle. Test the 2 rings by tugging at the one and see which shortens the tail. No. We will leave this one for later. Start with the one that doesn't pull on the tail and tug on the area that's closest to the last stitch that's worked. Keep pulling until all your stitches are together. At this point, the ring that you are tugging at will have extra length. So we're going to proceed to close the large ring, this one, by pulling on the ring that's directly connected to the tail. Pull at the same area here at the top closest to the last stitch that's worked. And this part may be difficult to start, so just be patient and keep tugging until you can pull the previous ring close. So you can see there, it's already closing. So once that's closed, you can pull on the tail to finish. Okay? Put your hook back in. And we're going to slip stitch into this stitch where the marker was. Cool. The slip stitch. Sometimes it can be a little tight, so just be patient and work your hook in. So let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 single crochets. And you have completed your reinforced magic ring. You can now proceed according to your pattern.